Welcome to another video from TTI. Today we're going to unveil some awesome, crazy bikes which you've never seen before. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the entire video to know something new.
Number 8.
Panzer Bike. If there's a Frankenstein of the engine, without a doubt it's the Panzer Bike, which first appeared in 2007. This is a monster motorcycle created by two German bike enthusiasts. Thanks to its weight, it got an honorable place in the Guinness Book of World Records as the heaviest bike. This crazy awesome bike is oversized and may be bigger than your car. It is capable of carrying a lot of people to ride on because it has a powerful 12-cylinder Russian tank engine 55, which works on diesel to generate enough power to run this beast.
Number 7.
Dream Big Bike. It is a clear example of something big. Its name is Dream Big. This bike is 6 meters long with more than 3 meters tall above the ground. After spending 3 years, Gregory Dunham registered his name in the Guinness Book of World Records. Every dream has to pay its price. Similarly, this dream costs 200,000 euros with an expenditure of 3 long years. Even so, Dunham claims it is drivable. To provide the required propulsion, it has a mighty 8.2-liter 8-cylinder engine pumping out 500 horsepower. Even though it has huge tires and 3 tons of weight, fortunately it can reach its top speed of up to 98 kilometers per hour.
Number 6.
The Gun Bus 410. The Gun Bus 410 is a motorcycle produced by German company Linnerhardt Manufacturing and is described as the world's biggest running motorcycle. The 410 in the Gun Bus name refers to the fact that the engine has 410 cubic capacity. Overall, the length of the Gun Bus is 11 feet with a seat height of 30 inches and its total weight is 400 kilograms. As you would expect, the Gun Bus rolls on massive rubber with a 38-inch front tire and a 42-inch rear. The price of the Gun Bus 410 production model is reported at US $350,000. The good news is this bike has the legal permission to run on normal roads, as well as the other good news is that if you really want a Gun Bus 410, you can buy one now, but you have to pay at least $350,000.
Number 5.
Fabio Reggiani Bike. If you're a bike lover, then you probably want to know about the largest bike on the planet. Recently, Italy's Fabio Reggiani got a respected place in the Guinness Book of World Records for making the world's largest and fully functional motorcycle, which was first introduced at the Motorbike Expo of Verona in 2013. This beast is powered by a 5.7-liter V8 Chevrolet 280 horsepower engine. This bike is 5 meters tall, even taller than trucks and buses, and weighs 5.5 tons. It completed successfully in its test ride of 100 meters during the world record attempt. It is indeed a perfect combination of balanced design and maneuverability.
Number 4.
Kawasaki 48-cylinder. This Kawasaki has multiple cylinders. It has a total of 48 cylinders coming from a Kawasaki KH250 Triple. Those engines put together in 6 rows of 8 cylinders each. Each row has straight 8-cylinder engines with their own crankshafts. And yeah, you've thought right. 6 crankshafts all geared together and running into a single BMW shaft drive transmission. In fact, this bike is really just a 49-cylinder monstrosity, since it has a totally separate 75cc single-cylinder engine under the seat that's being used as a starting motor created by Simon Whitelock of Red Doug Superbikes in Potters Bar. The 4200cc two-stroke bike holds the Guinness World Record for the most cylinders on a land vehicle, and yeah, let me tell you, it's a runner.
Number 3.
Monster Motorbike. Imagine what will happen in a collision between a car and a motorcycle. Now we have to give sympathy for the car owner who will dare against this crazy bike, which is designed by Australian acrobat King Ray Bauman. This monster bike coming from hell to revenge against four wheels. It was created in 1998, the biggest bike at the time. Mr. Ray broke a world record after breaking his bones too, and spent a lot of years and huge amount of money. This monster is 9 meters long and 3 meters tall, which is capable to crush anything below its gigantic tires. It is powered by a 400 horsepower engine, having 14 liters of capacity.
Number 2.
The Big Toe. The Big Toe is a motorcycle that once held the Guinness World Record in the category of the tallest rideable motorcycle, designed by Swedish engineer Tom Viberg in 1999. Even though it weighs 3,600 pounds, it can accelerate up to 100 kilometers per hour, which is so cool because it's powered by the 300 horsepower Jaguar V12 engine. Unfortunately, its honor has passed to Dream Big, a bike built by Greg Dunham in 2005.
Number 1.
The Giant Tricycle. Nowadays, we like attention toward two-wheeler bikes. Fortunately, after spending 4 years, an inventor named Elvis de Almeida has built the world's most giant tricycle in the city of Cosmopolis. After suffering a serious motorcycle accident in 1997, Bobby Brazil was unable to fly again, but he was full of motivation to build a three-wheeled vehicle, which turned out to be a giant tricycle. It is 6 meters long and weighs 5 tons because it has 3 huge tractor tires, a powerful hydraulic engine, and elegant design. And all of that's enough to get publicity during the exhibitions and training events. Thank you for watching. Which bike do you like to ride, and what do you want to do with these crazy bikes? Let us know in the comments. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.